All right, so it's 6:29. Market is just about to open. All right, so we have, this is going to be New York session, September 12th. People seem to have trouble, like, I don't know, finding the date on these videos. It's like always just at the bottom. Yes, New York session. It's 9:29 right now. I've charted everything out in the 15-minute and the 1 hour, and I am looking to take an entry on the 1 minute. So this is kind of like a quick, easy move here because we have liquidity that's like right there. So it's a pretty obvious presumption that the market is going to move down and smash into this liquidity from here. I'm a little iffy about taking trades right out of the gate, though, especially since we're looking at a short, which is right in the area of my power of 3. So I want to give this a moment here to just kind of play out and see if we're going to get a bounce, if we're going to get a turtle soup here. And I think we're going to take it.
Order filled.
All right, our stop is going there. And let's map this out on TradingView so that if this does go in my favor, I'm able to get a reward to risk of 3 to 3 to 1. All right, so my stop should be exactly should be a little bit higher than that, 207.50, so it's 1 point off, but that's okay. The exit should be, we're gonna do a break-even stop. Profit level should be 19,287.50. Okay, so that is our reward to risk of 3 to 1. And I hope this is just a quick, easy one and we can be done because I am under the weather. It is not the best day for me. I could even let myself off the hook and not trade today, but I'm not tired enough to just hang out in the bed right now, so here we are. All right, so we're just looking for a 3 to 1 here. I did drag my stop, so I'm I'm getting in the way of the trade, and I know that, but I'm happy to lock in profit, even if I get stopped out early, because I just don't feel that great, and I don't know if I'm going to want to sit here and take a bunch of trades today. Liquidity is like quite a ways up, but I don't think we're going to try to hold out for that. Okay, we're just going to try to get the quick 3-to-1.
Stop filled.
All right, we're stopped out, so we're somewhere around a reward to risk of 2-to-1 on that, and I think I'm okay with that. So if you've been following along, then you know that I'm trading a group of accounts which have a very low drawdown. I took like the max payout on all of them, and so the drawdown is very, very low. So I've been taking very low risk trades, just trying to manage that. It's like, even though we're in this area, it's still, I don't know, it just still looks like a good area to short. I think there's too many reasons not to for me to mess with it though. Okay, so I think that will probably be it for now. I think I'm gonna take a nap and come back and trade some evals later in the day. So now we've got a drawdown of 707 on these accounts, and so that's good. So we started out what was it yesterday? I think we started out at like 242 and got it up some, and so today we're ending 707. So yeah, all right, cool. So I think that's going to be it for now, and then I'll jump in and trade some evals after I take like a little nap later. And again, okay, so for anybody who likes to go back and just kind of look at these trades again, this was mapped out in the 15-minute. I was looking at the 1 hour as well. It was actually a perfect turtle soup bounce. No, it wasn't. No, we still, yeah. All right, so mapped out in the 15-minute, and also was using the 1 hour as well, but my entry is actually me looking at the 15-minute and the 1 minute time frame, and just looking for confluence to just make sure that this looks like it's going to be a bounce. And a lot of times they happen so quickly. You just have a quick run on liquidity, and then it's like it's a bounce right from that area of interest. But it pulled back so deep that I was able to kind of just make a very slow, methodical decision about whether to enter. And I did drag my stop, so I did interrupt the trade. So it did turn out to be closer to a 2-to-1 as opposed to a 3-to-1. We did have a nice, we did pull back into a nice higher time frame bullish order block and bullish Fibonacci retracement level. So if I would have held, you can see it would have actually hit my 3-to-1 like right to a T. Like right to a T. Okay, well, it would have actually moved through it at this point. All right, so good trade. And I will possibly see you later for some afternoon trading.